A very good morning to all the lovely children. This is your EVS lesson. In your last EVS class, you learned about the chapter about myself. About myself. Now, about myself means you are telling about yourself. Introducing yourself. Introducing myself means you are telling the facts about yourself. Whenever you introduce yourself, you tell about your name, you tell about your age, how old are you, and you tell about your birthday and in which grade do you study and what you like to do or what is your hobby, right? This is what you learned to introduce yourself. I hope you all know it very well. Now you all know about introducing verbally. Okay, how to introduce yourself, you know it verbally. We have covered the back exercise of this chapter and we have also done the keywords related to this chapter. Now the main motive of learning keyword is that you are able to write the answers on your own easily. Okay, now as we are already done with the keywords and I'm sure most of you have started learning them, right? So today what task we are going to do is question answers. We'll be doing question answers related to this chapter. Okay, so here we go. When you start doing it, make sure you write the date on the extreme left, top left of the page, classwork on the right side, chapter 1, chapter name about myself, and question answer. This is the short form to write question answers. Q/ANS, question answer. Okay, so here we go. Question 1. Q means this is the short form for question. Q1 means question 1. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. You remember you learned about the question marks in your English lesson? Punctuation. So because this is the question, so we have put question mark at the end. Okay. I repeat, the question is, what is your name? Now, how you are going to write it? Verbally, you can answer it very well. I know that. Now, you have to learn to write it. Alright. So, what is the way? How do you usually answer this question? What is your name? My name is whatever your name is, right? My name. Now, in the keywords, you learned the spellings of name. So, you can easily write this answer. My name is, whatever your name is, you can write here. And at the end, what are you going to put? Question mark or full stop? Full stop, because this is the sentence. You are not asking anything here. Rather, you are answering here. So, here you are going to put a full stop. Okay? Now, let's move on to question number 2. How old are you? How old are you? It means you have to tell about your age. Okay? You have to tell about your age. How old are you? Now, how do you answer this question? I am, whatever your age is, 6 years old or 7 years old, you can write here. I am. If you are 6 years old, you can write here 6. If you are 7, you can write here 7. Okay? I am 6 years. Now you know the spelling of years, right? You have learned this spelling in the keywords. Okay? Old. I am 6 years old. and at the end here I'll be putting up a question mark or a full stop. Of course, full stop. Okay. Now question number 3 is, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? So how do you answer this question? My birthday, or you can also write it is my birthday is in. What is the way to answer this question? My birthday is in which month it is? For example, your birthday is in January. So here you are going to write the month, the name of the month. At the end, full stop again. My birthday is in January. Now you must be wondering why I have put this capital J over here. And I know you know the answer too. I told you in your English lesson that whenever you are writing any name, now this is the month's name, so first letter has to be capital. Any name, any month, any festival will have the first letter as capital, right? So this is the answer. My birthday is in January. Question number 4. Which is your favorite pastime? I repeat, which is your favorite pastime? Now, favorite spelling also you have learned from the keywords. Which is your favorite pastime? Pastime means hobby. Okay? Pastime. What do you like to do in your free time? Okay, pastime means what you like to do in your free times. So, you have to tell about your hobby here. You can write I like, for example, I like dancing, so I can write here, I like dancing. Or you can answer it like, my favorite pastime is my favorite. You know the spelling of favorite because you have already learned from the keywords, or you can see the spellings from the question itself. My favorite pastime is dancing. Okay, you can write anything. I repeat, what is your name? My name is, for example, I can write here Shivani. My name is Shivani. How old are you? I am 6 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is in January. Which is your favorite pastime? I like dancing, or my favorite pastime is dancing. Okay, so what you have to do today, you have to note down these question answers in your notebook and start learning them, and don't forget to speak while you write. Okay, this will enhance your reading skills and writing skills as well, and your spellings also. Okay, so do speak while writing. That's all for today. Bye bye, take care.